Hello. I've got another product from the guys over at Nitefox. A little bit ago, I took a look at one of their flashlights, and they asked me to review another one. Actually, I have two different products, but going to be doing two videos because they're separate, but they actually go together or not. Anyway, this is the Nitefox UW360-M. It's an LED WorkLight USB rechargeable battery, bright portable powered lamp with magnetic stand, DIY workshop, warehouse, garage, car / truck repair, reading, camping. Floodlight plus spotlight. That is the listing on Amazon, of course. And it is $34.95 prime shipping. Now, again, as I said, this is USB rechargeable, as I said, but it does have a standard 18650 battery in it. So, you can use anything for it, though. I have a metal plate here, which you can use for various things as a stand. But we have the just basic instructions here. It's fairly standard stuff. I mean, it's just a flashlight, really. But it is a work light. It has a here, you'll see, I'll show you in a second. Anyway, micro USB cable. This is for charging. And inside here, which I will show you right now, there's a little plastic insert there, of course, that protects the battery. But it comes with a 2600 mAh battery, and it's just your standard 18650 lithium ion here. And one thing nice to see here is the rubber O-ring on it there that protects it, from water damage getting in and all that. Oops, it's already on. Oops, I left it on. Yeah, of course I had to check it out. But on the bottom here we have a magnet, and it is fairly strong. But the idea here is you have this, and you can use this as a stand if you want to, or if you want, I guess if you wanted, you could attach this to something. But this works as a nice stand to keep it more stable, on a surface. But you can also just stick it to anything else, stick it on a car, upside down, I mean, the magnet is, it's fairly nice, it's fairly powerful. Sorry, that's the word I'm looking for. Here it is here. You can see it's about 11 inches or so low. And here's LEDs in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we also have a single one in here. Because this light does have different modes, we have our power button here. And I'll do this. We have one, it's high, and then low. And then we have a spotlight. So it can be just like a flashlight. They call it a spotlight. But it's more or less, like your flashlight type of deal. And then off, of course. So we have high. So basically, your little work area. Whatever you need to do. And then low. Oops, what did I do? There it goes. Apparently, if you hold it in, I guess. There it goes. High, low, spot. Okay. Yeah, there it goes. And this here is metal, by the way, the gooseneck, and it is it pretty much stays where you put it, no matter the position and all that. But here we have the micro USB port, so you can actually just plug this in and charge it, right in here. I'm not sure if there's an LED or something on here. Let me grab this and we'll try this real quick. See if there's an LED indicator on here. I didn't see anything listed about it, but let's find out. Oh, yep, there is. It's kind of hard to see, but it's red in the power button there to indicate charging. But yeah, about waterproof, I'm not sure. I don't see anything. Suppose you can get 8 hours. 8-hour lighting with high output floodlight, or 12 hours with spotlight. So yeah, that's pretty decent, actually, for it there. Yeah, again, I don't see anything about being waterproof for that, but it does seem, fairly durable and rugged. It does have the rubber O-ring inside there, which will keep water out. Now up here, I don't know what kind of sealant is in there, but it's just more for a workshop type of a garage thing, more of an indoor product, I would think. But I guess you can use it outdoors too, in the dry. But anyway, Nitefox Yeah, UW360-M LED work light. It is USB rechargeable, and of course you can take the battery out and put it in your own 18650 charger, which I think is nice. But that's about it. Cool little product. I like flashlights. I have a thing for them. I don't know why. I have a lot of them, and you know, I could always use more. Thanks.